We've developed this system starting about 6 years ago, and then slowly but surely we gained the support of Clayton Homes, other different manufacturers that saw a requirement for the change because of the drop in the labor pool. So that's sort of how we got into the industry.
One of the challenges is we haven't changed the application in terms of what we do on site installs for the foundation systems in forever. And this technology is extremely exciting. It's a very unique system, and it's going to make the installation and the site prep much easier for us as an industry, and also make it more seamless and quicker to get the homes installed for our product. It's very unique and exciting to see this new technology, and we see how we think that can benefit us and our customers in the future.
Typically, like any industry, there's always advancements, there's always progression. I mean, you have to be forward thinking, you have to look at the future, because realistically, this is the future.